The state of Tamil Nadu has approached the Supreme Court challenging the Madras High Court's decision refusing to stay Enforcement Directorate raids on the Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation or the TASMAC headquarters. The case concerns an alleged 1,000 crore liquor scam in which distillery companies are said to have siphoned off large amounts of unaccounted cash to secure favorable supply orders through the corporation, a state-run liquor marketing body. The corporation officials were accused of corruption and several of its shops were alleged to be overcharging customers above the MRP. The ED initiated its investigation based on 41 FIRs filed by Directorate of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption regarding irregularities in corporations' operations. The Madras High Court, however, dismissed Tamil Nadu's plea against the searches, holding that the ED was acting within its authority and that temporary detention of employees during raids was part of due procedure. Allegations of harassment were considered an afterthought by the court. Despite an earlier failed attempt to transfer their plea from Madras High Court to Supreme Court, Tamil Nadu has now directly challenged the High Court's decision. Meanwhile, ED has continued its probe, recently conducting fresh raids, including at the residence of corporation's managing director S. Visakan and questioning him for nearly 10 hours. Corporation had earlier argued that ED's actions were politically motivated and based on mere suspicion, not backed by adequate material or statutory grounds under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. ED countered that the case was triggered by complaints from Tamil Nadu's own police and pointed out that even suspicion is a valid basis for conducting searches under the law.